So let's jump right into it. I guess let's start this one out this week with a little bit of a market update because it's just such a roller coaster, this market, you know? I mean, the ups, the downs now.
Yeah. Sales are down 20% from March.
So that means, one out of every, there's one less house selling every month out of every 5.
Yeah, and I just, I checked the listed to sold this morning and we're still almost at double, so.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Our average sale price is down 5.6% from March until now, which is pretty big. I mean, we're still up overall for the year, but I mean, I think we're just going to continue to see this decline because our months of inventory has increased. So if you haven't watched an earlier episode, months of inventory is basically how we indicate, if every lit house on the market right now were to sell, how long it would take them to sell. It used to be 0.7, which is about 3 weeks. Now it's 1.2. It's almost double that, meaning that if every house on the market were to sell now, it would take twice as long as it did in March, which shows right there, that alone just tells you the story of a slow market.
Yeah, right? And what we predicted before, townhomes.
Townhomes took the biggest hit.
That's right.
They did. They were down 7%.
But they were astronomically high. People are paying 1.1, 1.2 for townhomes.
I know.
That's a little crazy.
Some of them in Ancaster were 1.6, 1.5.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
And then another thing, just to point out, the amount of active listings is the highest that it's been in a year, and the amount of sold listings is actually at the lowest point it's been in a year. So we're seeing more listings, but we're seeing way less sold. So we're still in a seller's market because the months of inventory is 1.2.
Yeah.
A balanced market is when the inventory is from 3 to 5, and then over 5 it's a buyer's market. But it looks like we're starting to slip towards that balanced market, which isn't a bad thing.
Yeah, and everyone's, you've heard this a million times now, everyone's kind of waiting at what's going to happen with the interest rates.
Yeah, but if you're an investor, man, this is the time to buy.
Exactly.
I'm just keeping an eye on it, waiting, and then pick something up. Or if you're a first-time home buyer, I got first-time home buyers now looking up to 500, and we're going to get them something. It's not going to be like it was when they were looking in February.
Yeah.
There's lots of options out there.
Yeah, I think you need to talk to your mortgage advisor and kind of weigh out what's more important to you and what will affect your numbers more. Is it house prices or is it the interest rate going up for you?
Yeah, because that will affect some people's affordability, right?
Right.
Well, we'll see.
Okay.
Anyways, if you guys got questions about the market stats, let us know. We're always happy to answer. Taking